Hello and welcome to this Pearson Primary Geography Unit briefing. In this video I'll be taking you through our unit on rivers. Pupils should describe and understand key aspects of physical geography, including climate zones, biomes and vegetation belts, rivers, mountains, volcanoes and earthquakes, and the water cycle. That's a statutory national curriculum requirement. In this unit, pupils will gain a broad understanding of the location of different major rivers, how they're formed and interact with the land around them, as well as the relationship between humans and rivers through a European case study. So, let's take a closer look at the work booklet that pupils will complete as they move through this unit. The booklet begins with a knowledge organiser. The key geographical vocabulary is included, as well as diagrams and tables setting out the processes of erosion and transportation. Each of the 6 lessons is framed around an inquiry question. It may be helpful to share this question at the beginning of the lesson to frame the learning, as well as ending the lesson by having pupils jot their key reflections in the learning review column here. Now, let's take a closer look at each of these lessons in turn. The first lesson asks, where are the major rivers of the world? It introduces pupils to some of the world's major rivers, including the Nile and the Amazon, and where they're located. The main characteristics of all rivers are also set out, including the source, channel, banks, bed, and mouth. Lesson 2 asks, what are erosion, transportation, and deposition? Pupils will consider how rivers interact with the land as they flow through it, and a number of metaphors are used to help pupils understand these processes. For example, material carried along by rivers is compared with a person carrying a suitcase, who will drop it when they don't have enough energy. Lesson 3 asks, why is the Volga River so important to people? This is a focused case study on the Russian people living along the Volga River, and is a good example of how human and physical geography interact. Pupils will learn how the river provides fertile farmland when it floods, is dammed for energy, and how the waters can be used for fishing, amongst other benefits. Different types of pollution that harm the river will also be explored. Lesson 4 asks, why are rivers so important to people? And pupils will have the chance to broaden their understanding of the different ways that rivers have been and continue to be crucial for human civilizations. Question 5 asks, how do rivers shape the land around them? This will give pupils the chance to consider waterfalls, meanders and oxbow lakes, as well as river deltas. And the final lesson, lesson 6, asks pupils, why should we protect rivers from pollution? A vocabulary bank and prompts for each paragraph is provided, and pupils should be able to apply their strong understanding of the benefits that rivers bring and how pollution in rivers can have knock-on effects for wildlife, the economy and people. We hope that you enjoy teaching this Pearson unit on rivers and that your students enjoy learning all about it. The video ends here.